Hi guys! So today is 2nd of June and it's my third day in US. Yay! It's so funny because it's already September and I'm editing this very late. But I still want to share with you my first Walmart experience. Dahil nga kakarating ko lang dito, naisipan ng aking asawa na bumili ng mga needs ko or namin sa bahay. Like cloth cabinet, hangers, shoe rack, nightstand or bedside table, lamp, and other personal stuff for me. As well as need namin mag-grocery. Gusto ko rin kasi magluto ng fresh foods. He has these things like ready to eat. Bago nga kami pumunta sa Walmart, nagpa-car-wash muna ang aking asawa and we are going to meet his friends for dinner. And it's gonna be my first time meeting them. In fairness, ang pogi talaga ng aking asawa. Wow! Honestly, he is the most handsome in my eyes. What? On the way na nga kami papunta sa Ichiro. It is a Japanese restaurant. Umalis kami sa bahay ng alas 4:45 and we arrive at the restaurant almost 5 p.m. Pagkapasok namin sa loob, tinanong agad kami kung ilan, then they guided us papunta sa table. They gave us the menu, pick our order, and of course, it's a Japanese restaurant, so we ordered sushi. Nag-usap-usap lang naman kami about life after that. We parted ways. Finally, nasa Walmart na kami. Pagkarating namin, I feel so excited kasi nga ang laki niya sa labas. One thing for sure, ang nasabi ko lang is, wow. Dahil nga nung nasa Pinas pa ako, I buy things in LCC at sa palengke. Mas maliit ang spasyo at di gaano karami ang options. When I say options, marami kang pagpipilian from brands, flavors, sizes, etc. Lalo na't marami talaga silang ready-to-eat na pagkain. Like you will just put it in an oven para mainit. At andito na lahat ng mga kailangan mo. Isa pa sa napawaw sa akin ay ang presyo. Dahil nga dolyar ang binabayad dito, mas mahal kaysa sa Pilipinas. Just think of it. $1 is 56 pesos. Triple. Mapapasabi ka talagang, uy, ang mahal ng cost of living here. Ang dami kong chika. Ayan, nagbayad na kami. By the way, there are other grocery stores na ikaw mismo magpapunch. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalawak ang parking lot here. Sana ganito rin sa Pinas, no? Charis, flood control nga, di maayos. Parking lot pa kaya. Asawa ko ginawa ng skateboard yung car. We already loaded some of the stuff in the car. And he is now loading the huge and heavy stuff. This is it for now, guys. Uupo na ang passenger princess sa car. Pero sana all talaga, princess ng Pilipinas. Hopefully, sana matapos na ang korupsyon sa Pilipinas at magkaroon man lang ng improvement kahit papaano kagaya sa ibang bansa. Bye! Thanks for watching!